Okay, I want to show you how to use the interactive algebra tiles. So I'm on the Canvas page now where the assignment is for 2.2 modeling equations. I'm going to scroll down the page. It says use the links below to download the assignment for the 2.2 and to also access the interactive website. Okay, so the first one is the interactive website. The second one is your assignment. So go ahead and download your assignment into your note app. So you click on it and then click the square with the arrow coming out of it. Find copy to note. It's going to be a new note, and then you have your assignment. The top portion you're just going to fill in. You're going to write the equation for the picture, but the second part, these two, and on page 2 there's 2 additional equations. We are going to use the Algebra Tiles online to build this equation. Okay, so I'm going to keep this open and I'm going to tab back to Canvas, and I'm going to go back to where the link is for the Algebra Tiles. I'm going to click on the Algebra Tile link. It takes me to this page. I need to first choose my background, so I'm going to click background first. I want the one that says equation mat number 1. And now I have my equal sign and I can build both the left and the right side. Then you're going to choose algebra tiles. And now I have my X rectangle at the top and I have my ones cube at the bottom. So if I double click my home button, I'm going to look one time at the equation that I'm about to try and build. On the left side, it says 3 plus 3x. So double click your home button, go back to your mat, 3, positive 3, I'm going to drag over 3 of these tiles for just the ones. Then it said 3x, so I'm going to go up and grab the variable rectangle that has an x. These are all positive, okay? So now that says 3 plus 3x. I'm going to tab home button again, pull back up the equation. The right side of the equation says negative 2x minus 4. So double click your home button, negative 2x minus 4. Okay, to get the negative tiles, once I pull them over, I'm just going to tap on them again. So negative 2x, I get my 2x tiles. Then I just tap on top of the rectangle and it switches to be negative. So it was negative 2x minus 4. So now I need 4 of these little 1 cubes or squares. And then tap on those to turn them negative. Now I have a model of that first equation. I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, that one is finished. I'm going to press up at the top right hand corner. There's a pencil with a piece of paper. Then press clear tiles and it removes everything from my mat. Then I can go back to my homework. I can say I want to add a picture. So click the plus sign, add a photo. It's already in my album. And the photo I selected, it doesn't matter if you choose high or normal. I can move it up into the box where it belongs. I could make it larger. I could stretch it out just a little bit. Except I'm on pencil. You might want to make it bigger at the beginning. Otherwise, it looks like you're stuck with it. Then I would just look at my next equation. On the left side, it says negative 3x minus 4. So I would go build that. And then 4 minus 5x, I would go build that. And I would insert the picture right here. You can also crop your photo if you just want the equation part, but this would be okay. Then we could zoom in closer and we could look at it to make sure the negative ones are showing with negative signs.